Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhan Shahid Qazi and I'm the founder and chief executive officer at YouExcel. It gives me a great pleasure to share that YouExcel has been recognized as the rising brand of the year 2025-2026 in the category of AI and data science. This recognition reflects our commitment to delivering industry-relevant training and empowering individuals with the skills needed to succeed in the technological-driven world. As part of the commitment, we are delighted and extremely proud to introduce our dashboard reporting and analysis with BI applications, business intelligence applications program. This hands-on training program is designed to equip you with practical skills in data analysis, business intelligence, and executive dashboard reporting and development, enabling you to transform data into meaningful analysis and support you into informed business decision making. At YouExcel, we believe that the right skills create the right opportunities. Our mission is to bridge the gap between education and industry by providing training that prepares learners for today's workplace and tomorrow's challenges. As our name proudly reflects, YouExcel is committed to helping you excel in your career through quality skill development. I look forward to welcome you at YouExcel learning community and wish you many more successes in the future. Thank you.